Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to access Help Center in Ambire Wallet. For that, make sure you get the application and you're logged into your account. Before entering, you need to enter the Ambire key store PIN. Now you will be led to this kind of page. And at the top left, you can see 3-line icon. You can tap on that. And there you can see Help Centers under the settings category. You can simply tap on that. Now you will be led to another web page where you will be seeing various options. Now if you have any particular problem that you are facing, then you can choose accordingly, or else you can see that question mark icon at the purple circle. You can tap on that. Here you can enter your name, likewise your email address. Here you can also specify the relevant topic for your inquiry. Here you can enter the question that you want to get help from. After there, you can see attachments. If you have any attachments, you can tap on add file from device and attach it over there. If not, you can simply tap on send. And after that, you will be guided further from the email address that you receive. And this is how to access Help Center in Ambire Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.